Alright, so today we're changing the transmission fluid on a 2006 Forester. Your dipstick for this is going to be that right there. This is on the right hand back side of the engine bay. That's going to be where the dipstick is and where you fill it from. So a nice long skinny funnel is going to be really helpful here. Underneath the car is where we'll find the transmission pan. It's this big square one way back here. Let it warm up a little bit before you do drain it, so it comes out easier. Then we'll go ahead and pull that dipstick out too. Alright, so the last few drops are going to come out, and then we'll go ahead and put the plug back in. Alright, it's been drained and the plug has been reinstalled. Alright, so we got that funnel shoved in there. Now we took out about 2 quarts, so we're going to start as a little over 2 quarts. We're going to start by adding 2 quarts and then letting it run for a little bit, checking where it's at.